Hello, welcome back to Educate. So on exercise 2. So exercise 2 is telling us, okay, solution to exercise 2, complete the following reactions. So that's exercise 2. Complete the following reactions. So the first one is we're having this bromo compound that is reacting with potassium hydroxide in an aqueous medium. I told you guys that aqueous medium favors nucleophilic substitution reaction. So the OL group replaces the halogen. So we're having CH3, CH2, OH plus KBr plus KBr. The reaction is nucleophilic substitution such that the OL group replaces the halogen. The second reaction is the same scenario. In this case, you still have a strong base, that is the sodium hydroxide. So you have the sodium hydroxide in an aqueous OD. The OH group replaces the halogen. The reaction is nucleophilic substitution. So I'm going to have CH3, CH, OH, CH3 plus sodium. Then this reaction also is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. The ammonia is a nucleophile. Remember the definition of the nucleophile. A nucleophile is a strong, is a species that react by donating electron. In fact, it's an electron-rich species that react by donating electron. So ammonia also is a species with lone phase of electron. So ammonia is lattice. It has lone phase of electron. So this lone phase of electron can be donated in an acid-base reaction. So what do you have here is here we have ammonia. Ammonia is NH2. One of the hydrogen takes hydrogen to form hydrogen chloride. So this was happening. Having CH2, CH2, NH2 plus is. So this reaction also is a nucleophilic substitution reaction because we have one alkoxy group. The alkoxy group is CH3O minus. So this CH3O minus replaces this bromine to form CH3, CH2, O, CH3, OCH3. So let me write this by so you guys will be able to see what actually is. Let me write it, you can make it. So here was nucleophilic substitution. So CH3, CH2, OH plus KBr. So here's the same scenario. We have CH3, C, OH, CH3 plus sodium, next. Ammonia, one of the hybrid, takes chlorine atom to form HCl. So we have CH3, CH2, H2 plus HCl. Here I was talking about the reactions. We have the CH3OH that ionizes CH3O minus plus H plus. So this is the nucleophile, even though it's a poor nucleophile. So the nucleophile will replace the bromo atom. So we're having CH3, CH3, O, CH3 plus A. The last reaction is also nucleophilic substitution. While the cyanide group is a strong nucleophile. So the cyanide group replaces this bromo atom here. At the end of the day, we will have CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl plus or be cyanide plus KO. So that's the help exercise. Exercise 2. For successfully giving a product of the reaction. So those are the very curious report. So thank you for watching. In a couple of minutes, we are going to take exercise 3.